Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to install Private Internet Access VPN, or PIA VPN, on your Apple TV. It's easier than you think. In this video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step guide, ensuring you can enjoy secure and private streaming on your Apple TV in just a few minutes. We'll cover everything from setting up PIA on your router to directly installing a VPN app if your Apple TV supports it. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips, tricks, and tutorials. We really appreciate your support. Okay, so, securing your Apple TV with a VPN like PIA is crucial for several reasons. First, it protects your online activity from prying eyes, including your ISP. Second, it allows you to bypass geo-restrictions and access content that might not be available in your region. And finally, it encrypts your data, making you less vulnerable to cyber threats. Let's get started. There are two main methods for setting up PIA on your Apple TV. Method 1. Setting up PIA on your router, the recommended way. This is generally the most reliable way to ensure all your devices connected to your Wi-Fi network, including your Apple TV, are protected by the VPN. 1. Check router compatibility * first. You need to ensure your router supports VPN configuration. Not all routers do, so consult your router's manual or the manufacturer's website. Popular routers like those from Asus, Netgear, and TP-Link often have VPN client features. 2. Access router settings * open your web browser and type in your router's IP address. This is usually something like 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. You'll need to log in using your router's username and password. If you haven't changed them, check the default credentials in your router's manual or search online. 3. Configure VPN client * look for VPN settings in your router's interface. It might be under Advanced Settings, WAN Settings, or something similar. The wording will vary depending on your router's brand and model. 4. Enter PIA credentials * here's where you'll need your private internet access credentials. You'll typically need to provide server address * choose a PIA server location. You can find a list of server addresses on the PIA website after logging into your account. Username * your PIA username. Password * your PIA password. VPN protocol * PIA recommends using OpenVPN. If your router gives you options, choose OpenVPN. Encryption settings * your router might also ask for encryption settings. PIA usually provides these on their website or within their app instructions. 5. Save and connect * once you've entered all the necessary information, save the settings and connect to the VPN. Your router should now be routing all traffic through the PIA VPN. 6. Verify connection * to verify that your Apple TV is now using the VPN. Go to your Apple TV and open the App Store. Download a free IP address checking app, like What's My IP? Run the app and it should display the IP address of the PIA server you connected to, not your actual location. Method 2. Installing a VPN app directly on Apple TV, if supported. Some newer Apple TV models allow you to download and install VPN apps directly. 1. Check App Store availability * open the App Store on your Apple TV and search for Private Internet Access VPN. 2. Download and install * if the PIA app is available, download and install it. 3. Log in * open the PIA app and log in using your PIA username and password. 4. Connect to a server * choose a server location from the list and connect to the VPN. 5. Verify connection * as with the router method, use an IP address checking app on your Apple TV to verify that your IP address has changed to the PIA server location. Troubleshooting * connection issues * if you're having trouble connecting, double-check your PIA credentials and server address. Make sure you're using the correct VPN protocol and encryption settings. Slow speeds * if your internet speed is slow, try connecting to a different server location. Servers closer to your actual location might provide better performance. Router compatibility * if your router doesn't support VPN client features, you might need to upgrade to a router that does. And that's it. You've successfully installed Private Internet Access VPN on your Apple TV. Now you can enjoy secure and private streaming. We hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Roam Tech for more tech tutorials and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.